Watching the fireworks show will be tonight's highlight. Which place is best spot for you to get a perfect and comfortable view to enjoy the show? Bing-an said his first choice is 国父纪念馆。
哇，这个位置也太过瘾吧！101就在我们正前方，而且不会被任何人挡到。但是要怎么样才可以像你找到这么好的地方呢？
台北的冬天呢，我们吹东北风，所以我们要站在东北的地方，然后这样烟就会往另一边飘。第二点就是我们要早一点来，我们要提早大概7、8个小时来这边占位置，才可以看到这么好的 view。
7、8个小时 ，As you can see, this place is packed, and there's so many people here. And even people out there in the rain, and we're really lucky because he got here earlier. That's a really smart choice. We have a roof on top of us so we don't get wet. And even though we've waited for a really long time, but I think it's worth it.
Best thing to do on New Year, picnicking at the best spot.
So we've only got 15 minutes left until the fireworks lights up, and I'm super hyped.
今年101的烟火会有长达300秒的时间，而且也会有16000发的烟火，搭配声音、搭配动画一起绽放。要倒数了，要倒数了！
那个是你们出来了吧？Oh yeah, it was a smiling thing.
我最喜欢刚刚那个像彩虹的，它是烟火这样一层一层这样上去，然后是彩虹的颜色这样上去，我觉得很漂亮。
我喜欢那个在最上面那个很像翅膀的那一个部分，就那里我觉得很漂亮，而且我第一次看到这样子的烟火。
我最喜欢那个动画的那个鲸鱼变成台湾，然后搭配那个烟火一起放出来的那个感觉，我觉得超棒的。
那小刚，你最喜欢的 part 是哪里？
我最喜欢有很多个不同的语言组成的那个你好，都写在那个101大楼的荧幕上，让我觉得
跟你好，
对啊，让我觉得很 international。
哦，很 international。Okay, you all. My favorite part is when we're counting from 10 to 1. That was the most exciting and intense part because I feel like everyone is with me on this and I don't feel lonely at all.
So many foreign friends flock to witness the breathtaking fireworks display. Don't know if they feel the same way as I do.
There's so many places that you can go. Why do you choose to come here?
Like I'm from London, we have amazing fireworks there. But this is like very unique, is that the fireworks are coming out of the Taipei 101.
Yeah.
There's nowhere else, I've never seen anywhere else in the whole world that's like that.
And it's just got such a beautiful culture and it's just such a beautiful place to be. I'm really excited to be spending the new year going in, or like stepping into the new year in Taiwan.
Not just the fireworks is beautiful itself, same as Taiwanese. They have a really kind and beautiful heart. Even though it's crowded and it's packed, people doesn't push around. They ask politely. I'm really impressed by that.
Best thing to do on New Year, enjoying Taipei 101 fireworks display.